Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a compatible audio file so playback is reliable across devices. Once you pick MP3 or WAV, open the slide where you want the music to begin and go to Insert then Audio. This places the clip on the slide. Make sure the file is accessible on your device or linked location because PowerPoint will reference that path. After inserting, you'll see an audio icon. Keep it selected so you can move immediately to playback settings in the next step. Once the audio is on the slide, you control when and how it plays from the Playback tab. Choose Play across slides if you want continuous background music. This ensures the track persists when you advance. If the song is longer than the show, enable Loop until stopped, or set Stop playing after to a number of slides. Trim Audio removes unwanted sections so music starts cleanly, and Fade in/Fade out makes transitions less jarring. Make sure to preview and slide, show mode to confirm timing. You finish by exporting or testing the show so recipients hear the background music. Exporting to MP4 embeds audio, which avoids broken links when you send the file. Before final delivery, test the deck on the actual playback device. Differences in codecs or missing files can stop sound. If playback fails, make sure the audio wasn't inserted as a link, reinsert and choose to embed, or convert the file to MP3. One key tip: check slide show mode and speaker volume first, because settings there often cause false errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.